Now that we have a better idea of what this range of values means and that we're hoping to find the true population mean or parameter within that range of values, I want to talk about how we interpret that in context of where that data came from, so the survey or the experiment. And so we're going to use this fill in the blank sentence to help us. We are blank % confident, and that percentage will be given to you in the problem. So you'll just take that straight out of the problem, that the true mean, and here's where you're going to fill in that context. So maybe it's the true mean cost of a wedding is between, and this is where you'll fill in those numbers. So maybe it's $5,000 to $10,000. So altogether, this sentence is going to look like we are 95% confident that the true mean cost of a wedding is somewhere between $5,000 and $10,000. All right, so let's look at an example where we're given this information and we need to pull it out of the story to fill this sentence in. So the trade magazine QSR routinely checks the drive-through service times of fast food restaurants. A 90% confidence interval that results from examining 607 customers in Taco Bell's drive-through has a lower bound of 161.5 seconds and an upper bound of 164.7 seconds. So we are 90% confident, so we're getting that 90% from the problem, that the true mean service time at Taco Bell's drive-thru is between 161.5 seconds and 164.7 seconds. All right, so I have two more problems for you to try on your own. This is the average retail price for milk, and then one about an urban economist and commute times. So go ahead and pause the video and give these two a try, as well as their follow-up questions. All right, to estimate the national average retail price for a gallon of reduced fat 2% milk, an economist surveys stores in 20 cities from across the US. She finds a 95% confidence interval is from $3.53 to $3.93. So our sentence here in context, you're going to use that 95%. We are 95% confident that the true mean retail price for a gallon of reduced fat milk, or something along those lines that captures that idea, is between $3.53 and $3.93. And then our follow-up question, could this interval be used to estimate the mean price of almond milk? So remember that in order to generalize our results to our population, we need to identify our population. So we're getting the values of this reduced fat milk. And so the results of our research can only be applied to 2% milk. It can't be applied to anything else. An urban economist wishes to estimate the mean amount of time people spend traveling to work. He obtains a random sample of 50 individuals and finds the 99% confidence interval is from 19.1 minutes to 24.2 minutes. So in context, we'll get, we are 99% confident that the true mean time people spend traveling to work is between 19.1 and 24.2 minutes. And our follow-up question here, could the interval be used to estimate mean travel time in a rural area? And the answer to that is no. So the key here is that this is an urban economist. So that means this is kind of a big city area, and that's where they're pulling these people from. So that if you wanted to know about commute times in a rural area, you'd have to get a sample of people that live in a rural area.